Welcome, mamas, to day 27 of Slow Down with Kirsten's 30-day prenatal yoga program. Today's practice is centered on the theme of ebb and flow. This practice will help you connect with the natural ebb and flow within your body and mind. This journey is about you, your strength, your growth, and the community we're building together. So when you're ready, hop into something comfy and let's get started. Begin to close your eyes. We will begin in easy seat, Sukhasana. Begin doing neck circles in one direction and take deep breaths in and long exhalations out. Feel the gentle ebb and flow of your breath, and when you're ready, switch sides. Settle into your easy seat, allowing yourself to arrive fully in this moment. Interlace your hands behind your back or clasp opposite elbows, opening up your chest. Feel your heart center expand as you open up to the possibilities that each day brings. Continue to breathe here. On an exhale, release this pose and move into Tabletop, Varmanasana. Find a steady foundation here. Just as the earth supports you, trust in your body's ability to adapt and flow with the changes of pregnancy. Begin flowing through cat and cow, synchronizing your breath with your movement. As you inhale, sink your belly and shine your chest forward. On an exhale, press both hands into your mat and round your spine, looking downward towards your baby. This ebb and flow mirrors the natural rhythms within you, helping you find balance between effort and ease. Continue flowing with the natural cycles of your breath. Exhale, release this movement, and inhale, walk your hands a few inches forward. Begin circling your hips in one direction, feeling the fluidity in your movements. Embrace this natural ebb and flow in your body, knowing that flexibility and fluidity will guide you through your pregnancy and through labor. When you're ready, switch directions. Exhale, release this movement and move into Pigeon pose. Bring right knee directly behind right wrist. Extend your left leg back behind you straight, untucking your toes. Square your hips here. Place both palms onto the mat and extend your spine tall. Exhale, fold forward, gently lowering your chest toward the mat. Allow yourself to surrender into this pose, trusting that sometimes the best way to move forward is to let go and flow with what is. On an exhale, walk your hands over to the left side of your mat for an outer hip stretch. Inhale, come back to center. And exhale, release this pose, switching sides. Bring left knee directly behind left wrist, bringing your front calf parallel to the front of your mat. Extend your right leg back behind you, untucking your toes, and square your hips. Sit tall here. And exhale, fold forward. Continue to allow your breath to guide this movement. Inhale, walk your hands over to the right side of your mat for an outer hip stretch. Inhale, walk back to center and release this pose. Come to sit in staff bent knees pose and begin doing windshield wipers. This will release any tension in your hips and pelvis. Use this motion to release and reset. Inhale, press up into reverse tabletop, placing both palms behind you, fingers facing forward, both soles of your feet on the mat, lifting your hips high. Feel the strength in your body as you rise above any challenges, knowing that you have the power to navigate the ebb and flow with resilience. Exhale, bring your glutes back down to the mat, release. Move into bound angle pose by bringing both soles of your feet together and bringing knees out wide. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, release and fold. Gently press your knees toward the mat. In this pose, find harmony within, balancing the push and pull of your body and mind. Exhale, release Baddha Konasana, bound angle, and move into wide-legged fold. Extend both legs out wide. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and exhale, fold forward. Begin to walk your hands forward. Know that each fold eventually leads to more expansion in your body. Exhale, release, and move into our final resting pose, side lying Shavasana. Feel free to place one hand on your belly to connect with your baby. Allow your body to fully relax. Let yourself rest in the natural ebb and flow of your breath, knowing that peace is found when you surrender to the flow. When you're ready, keeping your eyes shut, come to an easy seated position. Inhale, hands up overhead into prayer position. Exhale, bring your hands down to third eye. Namaste. Thank you for sharing this practice with me today. As you continue your journey, remember that life is full of ebb and flow. By embracing these natural rhythms, you can move through your pregnancy with more ease and grace. My mission is to help all 4 billion women build confidence in your true divine identity to empower you to serve and uplift others. Please like and subscribe to this channel and share this video with another mom, sister, friend, or woman. Together, we are creating a community that flows with strength, support, and love. Please let me know in the comments where you're watching from and how far along you are in your pregnancy. I'd love to connect with each one of you. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Namaste.